Hey, what's going on guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the Math.LN10 property. So what this represent is the natural logarithm of 10, which is 2.302. So think about the situation you need to get that. This is what it does. So first we need to log it on a console, that what that is now, and I mean math dot l l and keep in mind though everything is capital L and 10. So yeah, and here you have it. So you need to a function which returns anything to this number. So what we just need to do is create a function, name it as something sum and we will pass number, sort for num, and then return math dot L and 10 into the num. And when we're done with that, just we need to log it on a console, the sum, and pass the argument something like 12. So it will returns you that. Simple as that. So hope you guys understand. That's it for today's video guys. See you guys in the next tutorial.